here, I'm ready.
Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And for today's YouTube unboxing, I have a special guest, Joseph.Creative.
Yeah, hey guys, how are you doing? This is Joseph.Creative, and I'm a fine artist and soon to be a digital artist. And I just love watching young Cash Boy do his unboxings because he's really great. He's up to date on the latest cutting edge technology.
And as for the unboxing, I have two big unboxings. That's why I have Joseph.Creative with me. I got the new Motorola One 5G Ace. The phone would be in here, but the phone's on the bottom here already. It comes with something called 10 turbocharger and USB type C and the little pin and the manual. And the phone over here has the volume and the power button. It has headphone jack, USB type C, power cord, and 7.1 surround sound. There's the speaker grills there, some speaker grills here. Here's the finger sensor. It has 48 megapixel quad core 4K camera with the LED flash. Oh yeah, and the
Nice,
auto case.
you got four lenses on that camera, right?
Yeah,
On that phone. Nice.
and also they gave me as a free gift this USB type C cable that's nylon braided, and another free gift which is the dual A car charging port with 24 watts, so you could charge your stuff in the car, your devices. You've got I got the JLabs as well, and we're gonna do the unboxing of the JLabs. So what type of earbuds do you have, Joseph?
Well, right now I'm rocking the Samsung Buds Plus because I've always had a Samsung device. I use Android. I love Android. I have T-Mobile, so ever since T-Mobile started up with HTC, it was an Android phone. So from HTC, I jumped to Samsung Galaxy, and I kept that. So right now, I actually have the Galaxy S21 with the Samsung Plus earbuds. They're a little bulky, but they do the job. But I'm looking to get something better though soon. Hopefully
Anyways,
the JLabs.
back to the JLabs. It says here that it does auto on connect, it does custom equalization sound, everyday proof IP5, and stereo calling, and it does 24 plus hours of playtime. And yeah, and it has left and right button feature for tracking volume, Siri, Google, play, pause, and equalizer settings. And basically here is the headphones. Oh wow, the headphones are pretty cool, sleek and small with the earbud. Of course you customize the earbuds that you want. And then here would be the case for it, and then you got these little rubber tips to protect your ears as well. And then if you notice here, the USB cable is attached to the thing, so if it breaks, you're out of luck. But I'm saying it's very convenient because you could take it with you and charge it wherever there's a USB port underneath a Starbucks table or one of those places. And let's see what else. In the bottom, We got the manual. Just your typical manual, guys. And that's basically about it. There's really not much else to say, but these JLab earbuds are popular all over the stores that I've been noticing, you know?
Yeah, they're gonna be my next buy. I'm gonna upgrade to JLab from the Samsung Buds Plus, because there's actually a newer Samsung, which is Samsung Buds Live and Pro. But I'm gonna go ahead and skip those and go to JLab, because I just know that they're better.
Yeah. And what do you think of the Samsung earbuds you have? Are they comfortable?
No, the fit is a little bit bulky, so they're a little tight. That's why I'm saying, as soon as these get a little bit older, I just got them recently, so once they get a little older, I'm going to upgrade to JLab.
Oh, and just to mention, my phone is 5G.
Galaxy S21 is 5G phone.
Yeah, it's rocking, this one's rocking Android 10, but I have the update for Android 11 now. So as soon as I get home, I'll be upgrading it. But yeah, it has your basic features. It has like a whole bunch of features here. It has the equalization stuff.
Alright, so everybody, if you need to follow me, if you're into art, you can follow me at Joseph.Creative on Instagram. That's Joseph P as in Paul, M as in Mary, Creative. Don't forget to hit that sub, like, and bell button for the latest from Joseph Creative and Young Passport.
And what type of media content do you do?
Well, I'm a fine artist, so I do tradition.
Wow, that's pretty cool. Hopefully, maybe one day we could see more of that fine art you do. Anyways, yeah. Thanks for watching this YouTube unboxing. Thanks for being here, Joseph.